Welcome to another beginner-friendly wig from Amazon. Company name is AISI. This is the packaging. Within the box, it comes with the wig. It comes with 2 wig caps. This is an 8-inch bob wig with adjustable wig grip band. This wig comes pre-cut with a 4x4 parting space, and it comes with 3 combs. Wig is 180% density. The wig came with a middle part. So let's get started. I've already tinted the lace with the even lace tint. I have my hot comb. I have my hair wax. I have my hairspray and a heat protector with my flat iron. We're going to apply a little makeup on the wig cap to mimic my scalp. It's easy to apply. You adjust the straps in the back. Put the wig grip part towards your hairline, and it fits well. It's not pulling or anything like that, and that's how I look. And I'm going to attach the comb underneath the wig grip. I wanted a side part, so I had parted it to the side, but this is how it looks. The cutting, the pre-cut. So I wanted to create a side part because I like a side part. So this is me creating a side part. I did prep it before to have it to sit the way I wanted to sit. this is how we're looking with no bang. I'm gonna flat iron it a little. And this is how we're looking with a regular bob. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell and get notified when I upload a new video. This is the side view. And this is the back. right here, I'm just going to try to create a bang. I'm going to curl it a little, then I'm going to pin curl. I'm going to use the flat iron to curl it to make a swoop. don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. Hit the notification bell and get notified when I upload a new video.